I'm still sick.
It's the same day as our advent calendar that we just did. But Callie wanted to show everyone something that she got on Sunday. What did you get on Sunday? And she got her first Pikme Pop.
And Pixie the unicorn.
And then Pixie the unicorn. Let's take a look.
Her name's Pixie.
There she is. So she's a Thai beanie.
And I have no idea why this is here. I got
As
that
everyone knows, go take a look. We opened her up a couple months ago when she bought
in a video.
her first Hatchimal. Alright, so let's take a look at the Pikme Pop. We're going to open it.
Yeah. It says Pikme Pop.
So it says Pikme Pop Surprise.
Has a few examples of what you can get.
And what it also says something there, right? Sweet. What does it say? Sweet scented plush. 45 to collect. Which one which one would you like, Callie?
On the front?
Yeah.
Probably that one or that one. Probably this one. It's so cute.
Aw, that's a cute one. All right, we're gonna see. This is the first time we open up a Pikme Pop.
Yeah.
We found this one at Walmart.
But you can also get them at Chapters.
We also found them at Chapters, but they were cheaper at Walmart. So luckily we went to Walmart and picked them up at Walmart. All right. Do we need scissors?
These are sewing scissors.
We got some scissors. I guess I should have pre-opened it. Alright, let's see if we can open it up. We're getting there.
How do you open this?
Let's see.
Oh,
There you go. Did you get it? I was gonna say you should have opened it over here where the paper isn't.
Right here?
Yeah.
But it was easier because those.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't see that. Yeah. There it is. Does it smell? Can you smell it already?
No.
No? Of course, you have a cold. Let me see.
It just smells.
Oh, yeah.
Does?
Yeah, it smells. I can smell the scent. I don't know what it is, but...
Got this thing.
Alright, so that's for the bottom, right?
Yeah. Does it work?
Like, you could drink your margaritas out of there. Alright, let's see what we're going to open up.
And the one in case if you don't know which ones I want either that one or that one.
Want to open up which? Oh, no, I guess that this probably tells you what it is.
Yeah.
And which one did you get?
Thank you for that one. And I still
That's it.
It's not on the front.
Looks like an owl.
Yeah.
I wonder what it is.
It's supposed to smell like something.
We'll take a look on this. Alright, let's see what it is.
It's supposed to be great.
What is it? Alright, we're back. And I should have just looked in that piece of paper because it would have told us. I forgot.
Being sick.
So his name is Ickle.
And being
Ickle the
sick
parakeet.
Being sick is terrible because I can't smell the yummy smell of this.
Yeah, yeah. I guess that's the. So it tastes like grape, but to me it smelled like bubblegum. It smells like grape, but to me it smelled like bubblegum. So his name is Ickle the parakeet, And he is a rare.
This doesn't smell
So,
like anything.
what do you think of your first Pikme Pop, Callie?
I like it. It's really cute.
Yeah? You want to get more of these things?
Yeah.
You can hang that up on your Christmas tree.
Yeah.
All right.
What's this?
Or you can attach on that.
Yeah.
I guess this has to be closed for it to stand up, eh?
Yeah.
It falls.
I don't know. It's close.
All right. Actually, let's see if we can find him here. There he is. Echo. The parakeet. He's under the rare. So he is a rare Pikme Pop.
Yay.
All right. Remember to subscribe to Callie's channel. Comment down below.
Like, comment.
Comments, share.
Friends and family.
You got it. Until next time.
Bye.
Pikme Pops.